In restoration, the final step is what stands between a job well done and a callback you don't want. Protect 90 provides an invisible shield that protects the surfaces by inhibiting the growth of mold, mildew, algae and odor-causing bacteria to avoid callbacks and rework that lowest profit margins. Protect 90 from Bioesque is a uniquely formulated, patented product unlike anything you've used before. It's colorless and odorless, EPA-registered bacteriostat that is approved for many surfaces including HVAC and food contact surfaces. This product, when properly applied, provides long-term protection. Once applied, Protect 90 binds to the surfaces for up to 90 days, creating a barrier that protects the surface and inhibits reoccurrence of undesired growths. And if a hygienist walks in days after you've completed the job, you can have greater confidence the treated surfaces will still pass the inspection. Think of it like an insurance policy for your work, a safeguard step to mitigate the unexpected. And it's as easy as swapping out the final spray. Just like you do now, but with a product that provides lasting protection for up to 90 days after application. Protect 90 from Bioesque. Don't just finish the job, secure long-term surface protection like no other.